Stand so close but feels like miles, and see the distance in your eyes. Where we are, times where we were, dreams now heading in reverse. I guess I seem so strong, but it hurts me just as wrong. And though I try and hide, it's hard to mask what's inside. Leading with my head instead of my heart, guarding all the pieces so they don't tear apart. Building these borders to keep myself safe. Afraid to break down. The silence stings as you walk away, and my chest bursts for you to say, why is it so hard for